If your Echo Dot isn't picking up your voice, don't panic. You're not alone, and there's an easy fix. Let's get started. First, check if the microphone is muted. Look for a red ring or red microphone light on your Echo Dot. If you see it, press the mic button on top to unmute. Still not working. Try restarting your Echo Dot. Just unplug it, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a minute to start up. Next, make sure your Echo Dot's software is up to date. Say, Alexa, check for updates. If there's an update, let it finish before testing the mic again. If you're still having trouble, double-check the Wi-Fi connection. A weak or lost connection can cause problems. Move your Echo Dot closer to your router if you need to. Finally, try resetting your device. Hold down the action button for about 25 seconds until the light ring turns orange. This will reset everything, so you'll need to set it up again. That's it. Follow these steps, and your Echo Dot should be listening like new. If not, contact Amazon support for more help.